Hey guys, welcome back to That One Life. Could be your life, could be my life, could be anybody's life. Everybody wants that one life. You know how it is. Anyways, uh, got a little treat for you today. I was saying on the other video that I was coming out here to Phoenix possibly to do a little work on a AC Cobra. Um, yeah, it's a buddy of mine. It's a friend of mine, the one that gave me Casper actually for my 40th birthday. And I'm the one that does all the work to this car and has for years. So as you see, there's Roxy on the driveway, and this is not my garage. Let's pan over and let's back up here so you can get a good view of this girl. This is a replica AC Cobra. Really, really nice car. It's got a high compression Campbell 302 in it. Very, very, very nice, fun little car to drive. This is the car that I told you that I had to do a bunch of body work to and paint work on. As you see, it turned out pretty good. It's got some nice stripes on it. The paint is actually a Tundra paint, a Toyota Tundra. I don't remember offhand what it was called, but it is a Toyota Tundra paint with House of Color gray stripes. And up here, right up here in the front, see if we can look, right here in this section, right here, this was all smashed, and I had to redo all the body work on the front end, and had to fix the headlight and stuff here because she had herself a little boo-boo. Well, there's the other picture, the other side of the motor. Anyways, it's really this car has a lot of meaning as well. It was his father's car, and his dad was actually the one that built this car. He built this car by hand. So everything on this car was put together by a guy and his brother. They did a beautiful job. It's got coilover suspension underneath. It's got a box frame. It's got all-wheel disc brakes, a Ford 9-inch rear end. I believe the drivetrain is the 302 out of I think a 94 or a 95 GT Mustang that's been worked over. It's got a shift kit and the tranny, torque converter. Oh, it's got a lot of goodies in it, guys. I don't know. It's one of those cars that probably one of the most beautiful cars that were ever manufactured. As far as the body lines and stuff go on it, it's very iconic. Even people that don't know what this car is, and they drive down the road, they recognize this car and they go, oh yeah, I've seen that somewhere. You know, they may not know what it is, but they know the car. So yeah, it's really cool. This thing is a lot of fun to drive. It gets up and moves pretty good. It's got I believe the back end's got a posi in it. It's got the nice, as you see, one of my favorite things about it, it's got side pipes on it, guys. So it's extremely aggressive, extremely loud. It's got the cam that's in this thing is just gnarly. I mean, it's got a nice little chop to it. So it'd be a quick video today. I just wanted to show you guys. I had to come out and do a little work to it, do some maintenance, change the oil and do a few little things to it here and there. Put the skid pan and stuff back on. And I just really wanted to share it with you because this car is another one of those vehicles that I tell you, it has a lot of meaning behind it. And this is kind of, Brandon's baby, so to speak. And like I said, his dad put it all together, and sadly, his dad, he passed away, and he left it to him. And he's just trying to keep it all together and keep it good. Now, I have been working on this car for many, many years. Like I said, I did the body work to the front, paint work and stuff that's done to it. I've done a lot of mechanical stuff to it. I've had the front of the motor apart. I've played with the fuel injection on it. I mean, there's a list that goes on for a long time about this thing. But I'm not going to bore you with all that stuff and specs and things. It's more about, like I always say, the car culture. The car culture is what's amazing, and this car is what brings him and his dad together. So it's just an amazing thing that he gets to have a piece of of his dad all the time with him when he's cruising around in this thing. So we just try to keep it good, you know, maintenance. We just talked about putting some tires on it, and you got to fix the seat, and it's got a couple little things that need to be done to it, you know. So, but yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys this really cool car that I've been working on for a long time. It's a bit of a stroll out here for me. It's like 70 miles to get here, but it is worth every second. And I'm the only other person that ever is allowed to drive this car, much less work on it. So that ought to tell you how precious it is. I'll let you look at her one before I go here. But yes, this is a 66 replica AC Cobra, and it is, I don't remember what it is. I know it's not a factory 5, and it actually does handle pretty good. It's a pretty it handles, it steers, it brakes pretty decent, and she's got a lot of go pedal in her. So yeah, I know it doesn't have a big block, but you know, whatever. Not everybody can have a big block. So, but anyways, yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys this really cool car because it means a lot to me. It means a lot to my friend, and it meant a lot to his dad. So once again, you know, like I say, it's that car culture thing, man. It brings people together and creates bonds and friendships, and that's kind of what it's all about, you know. So anyways, thanks for stopping by, and if you guys have any questions about this car or anything you want to ask me, just leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So have a good one. Thanks for stopping in. Later.